So Bitcoin, wherefore art thou? The shiniest of all cryptocurrencies has lost some of its luster over the past 4 weeks, and in this video I'll take you through why that is. But first, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. Bitcoin briefly nudged its way past the 50k US barrier earlier this week before dropping once again below that point. It's now priced at around $48,000. The drop back below 50 shows that Bitcoin has yet to fully recover from a slump that began after it hit a new all-time high in November. Putting aside the fact that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general is inherently a volatile asset class, the question remains: why has Bitcoin slumped in the past 4 weeks after such an epic climb to the top throughout September and October? The breakdown of Bitcoin's journey. The past 4 weeks has been a dramatic drop for the world's #1 crypto. In the context of 2021, however, it's merely another twist in a year that's had more twists and turns than a corkscrew at a Hunter Valley winery. To look at a price graph of Bitcoin, it doesn't look dissimilar to someone climbing to the top of Everest, spending 2 seconds at the peak, and then descending down the other side. Kind of like Homer Simpson riding a frozen corpse down the Matterhorn. Now that short-lived peak, incidentally, was Bitcoin's all-time high of $68,500 US on November 11. At that point, there was a feeling amongst the Bitcoin bulls that the ascent might well continue on to 100,000 US. And yet, from there, Bitcoin has descended to under 50,000, with a couple of free falls thrown in for good measure. This, of course, leads us to ask in our best Tommy Wiseau impression, Bitcoin, why are you tearing me apart? For those of us Bitcoin owners with enough of a functioning nervous system left, following a year of more ups and downs than a Pitt Street elevator, we're left asking the question, why? Why? For the love of God, why won't Bitcoin just stay steady? As it turns out, amidst all the mayhem, there are some reasons why Bitcoin is indeed dropping. Firstly, there's uncertainty surrounding regulations. Bitcoin's decline over the past 4 weeks were immediately preceded by fresh comments from SEC Chairman Gary Gensler surrounding regulation. Some, including executives from Coinbase Global and FTX Group, two of the world's largest crypto exchanges, have suggested that Bitcoin's recent drop is a direct result of a war of jurisdiction between different regulatory bodies. Yeah, that old happy little chestnut. Biden's infrastructure bill. In addition to wondering where he is and screaming at the damn kids to get off the damn sidewalk, US President Joe Biden has also managed to come up with some legislation. Yes, he was able to do that. In November, Biden signed a US $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill, which included some new legislation surrounding crypto. The passing of the bill meant that crypto exchanges are now required to notify the IRS of any crypto transactions. This in turn makes it more difficult for investors to hide any capital gains which they might have previously obtained from cryptos such as Bitcoin. Omicron concerns. The other big variable is the new Omicron strain of the coronavirus, which has been loose in the US since late November. Now, it's certainly made traditional traders nervous, and that has also pushed over into the crypto space, leading to mass sell-offs. On November 26th, the US stock market took a clouting as the Dow Jones dropped around 2.5%, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq markets fell around 2.2%. Although traditionally the crypto space remains largely unaffected by the ebbs and flow of the stock market, this still might well have contributed to Bitcoin's most recent fall from grace. So, with all that said, here's the verdict. Anyone who has spent considerable time studying Bitcoin should know by now that the past 4 weeks is par for the course when it comes to volatility in the crypto space. Despite Bitcoin's recent decline, the year-to-date returns of Bitcoin still sit at around 80%, which far outweighs that of property, shares, or even gold. So let's have a little bit of perspective. Bitcoin still remains solid in a year that seems anything but. If you enjoyed the information contained in this video, then please make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, drop us a comment about what other crypto-related info you'd like us to take a look at, and of course, don't forget to press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.